Greeting, this is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can download file from our email. Yes, file from our email. But sometimes somebody might send us something, they don't know how to download it for your desktop and all of that. Right, so I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process, right? You can come right here in the taskbar and click on the Google Chrome, or you can come up here and right click on the Google Chrome, and then it will bring up this small window, but what you want to focus on is the word open. So you click on the word open, you're going to display a screen, right? Display the browser screen, have this white, and get this purple texture here. You can actually change this particular background so far. Right, if you notice this come up with this nice background with a turquoise background, I can click right here so and type in email, but I'm going to focus right here on this 9 dot. I'm going to click it right here, and I'm going to click right here on the Gmail sign, which is right here. I'm going to click on that. So while I click on that particular Gmail sign, right now it's showing right here, loading Gmail. Notice this new look Gmail sign, right? Looking very nice so far. Right, now it's showing right up here that it actually progress, so it asking me to choose an email. Right, so I'm going to click on this particular email address. While I click on the email address, it will give me a section to put in the password. So enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password right here. So while I enter the password, you notice right here it says click here, says show password, forget password. I'm going to click the word next. Right, and ensure that it's actually processing here. Right, and if you notice on here it says it's wait. So now it actually show my photo icon here. Down here it says loading. Standard view basic HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, right? So now right here, showing that loading. So now actually in the email right here. So while in the email now what we want to look for is we're gonna download something, a file from there, right? So we're gonna scroll and search for the file that I wanted to download so far. Right, you're gonna search for the file. Alright. So for instance you want a particular file. Right, so you're gonna come right here and gonna search for the file. Right, so when I click right here, so bring it to some extra file so far. And if you notice, alright, this itself is a link. Alright, all of these. So I'm gonna click on one of these, click on the word itself. So while I click on the word, notice it's showing that it's actually loading. Alright, and if you notice, you don't show a document here. So when you come right here, I notice now it show up now. How you gonna download this? There are two ways in which you can actually download. You can come right here, put the question document, you notice you show the download icon here. So when I click on it, immediately gonna show the download coming right over here. Right? Notice this is the download. So it actually show it actually downloaded. Right? So you have a next way in which you can actually do it. You can come all the way over here to this 93 look at that. And when you click here and it's really look at that, it converts a download message. You can also click it here and do that. Right? So when you go back again, you can actually scroll along again and search for something else. Scroll along looking for something else. Keep scrolling down looking for the thing that it actually said. Right? And this one again, so you actually click on it and there you go. Right? So you just click on this download right here. And notice right here, you have a download here. So it's very important. So if this video has helped to solve your problem, please remember to share it with your friend. So it's very important that your friend can actually have her